one. Very good crawl there, Marley. Then we need a big dramatic leap into Callie's lap. Big leap. Big. Uh-oh. Something's wrong with Marley. Marley? Marley! Oh no, this is terrible. He's dead. Shane Marley said he's been offered a huge movie deal worth $1 million. How about $2 million? How about a date with that, Judy? Gets him every time. Great job, Marley. Allie, Marley didn't give you that kiss, did he? No, sit back in that chair. Hey, we have somebody up backstage to come out here and Cali the kid.